Poem It Never Comes Again, written by Richard Henry Stoddard and sung by Somshekar sir. There are gains for all our losses. There are bombs for all our pain. But when youth the dream departs, but when youth the dream departs, it takes something from our hearts and it never comes again, and it never comes again. Oh, oh, we are stronger and are better under manhood's turnerin. Still we feel that something sweet. Still we feel that something sweet followed youth with flying feet and will never come again, and will never come again. Oh, oh, something beautiful is vanished, and we sigh for it in vain. We behold it everywhere, we behold it everywhere, on the earth and in the air, but it never comes again, but it never comes again. Oh, ah,